Sir, x square
X square
minus x square minus z square minus 2xz into
hmm.
x square
Hmm.
plus x square
Hmm.
plus z square
Hmm.
minus 2xz.
Hey, you just see these are like terms, no? We can simplify. We can cancel this.
Yes.
So you get minus z square minus 2xz multiply to this will be 2x square plus z square minus 2xz. If your answer
Sir,
is correct,
Sir, I'm
that's
getting another answer, sir.
see,
the answer
Shobhan is
is
getting another answer. Yes, Shobhan.
X minus y minus
Hmm.
z, sir.
Hmm.
Brackets, sir. They are in brackets, sir.
Hmm.
Again,
Into
bracket
hmm.
x plus y plus z,
Hmm.
bracket close, sir.
Hmm.
And again brackets, sir.
Into
X square
hmm.
x square
X
plus
square hmm.
plus, sir.
Hmm.
Plus and again bracket to open, sir.
Hmm.
Open the bracket, sir.
Okay,
Y
sir.
plus z,
Hmm.
y plus z,
Into y plus z
close bracket square, sir.
square.
Yes, sir. And
Is
bracket close, sir.
is the answer complete?
sir. In my answer, one small change is there.
In your answer, small change is there. Yes, sir. What is the change, sir?
Here minus z square make that plus 2xz, sir.
This
After
is plus.
minus z. Yes, sir.
Is this the answer?
Why there? Why came sir in Shobhan's answer?
I don't
Why
know.
is
Chopin has taken this as y, I think. This is x. Chopin?
So no, sir. I x power 4 I taken as y, sir.
X to the power 4 only are taken as y here. See, the
Yes,
question
sir.
is changed, so
Sir,
your
I'll
answer is
resolve the
wrong.
question, sir. I'll resolve the question, sir.
Okay, sir. Resolve it.
Sir, I got the answer.
Yes, Piyush answer.
In bracket,
Okay.
x square
Hmm.
plus x square
Hmm.
plus z square
Hmm.
minus 2xz,
Hmm.
bracket close,
Hmm.
bracket open, x plus
Into
x minus z
x plus x minus z.
times x minus x plus z.
X minus x plus z. On observing, there are some like terms. We can cancel this.
Sir, it is same as my.
This is 2x square plus z square minus 2xz into 2x minus z into z. Correct?
yes sir?
This is
Same as my
different
answer.
answer, no? Same as your answer. You have taken z common here. If z is taken common here, z times of minus z plus 2x. So 2x minus z and z is there. Yes, both your answers are correct. But is this the correct answer?
Yes.
Confident?
Should be.
Yes, sir.
Yes, let's check it. Now we shall solve it together. I am going to write this as x square
Sir,
whole square
yes sir. X
minus
square.
x minus z whole square, that is squared. Now this is x square plus x minus z whole square into x square minus of x minus z
X
whole
minus
square.
square.
Hope this step everyone must have written.
Sir.
Sir,
Now the expansion x square. Yes, Ritesh,
As it is.
Naman.
As it is, sir.
Okay, sir.
This is the
Let me expand this. This is plus x square plus z square minus 2xz. I'm going to multiply this with. This is again a plus b into a minus b identity. So x plus x minus z into
into
x
x
minus x plus z.
plus z.
that's it.
Now these are the two terms which are getting cancelled. This will become 2x minus z into z. These things we can simplify. This is 2x square plus z square minus 2xz. Yes,
Sir, how it
both
came,
your
sir?
answers were correct.
Yes,
Sir,
Yes,
why
Uday.
2x, sir?
Where, sir?
sir. 2x.
Eh,
Sir,
You are telling
sir,
that why
yes.
did I write this 2x?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shobhan, x plus x is
X plus
2x.
X is
Yes,
2.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
sir,
Why
here,
only z?
minus
Because x minus x getting
X is
cancelled, we get
cancelled,
z
sir.
only. Why this is 2x square? X square plus x square is 2x square. Now it's clear?
sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in the previous
minus
question,
12 x.
Hmm.
we had two expressions, x plus y plus z and x minus y minus z. So, from these two terms, can plus and minus get cancelled?
I have to see the question only, otherwise I can't tell it. You
No,
just
sir,
tell the question, I'll tell it.
it can't be cancelled, sir. Sir,
You tell the question, I'll write here.
she got the two factors x plus y plus z bracket, x plus
X
y
plus
minus
y
z
plus z.
bracket multiplied to
Hmm.
x plus
X
y minus
y
z.
minus z.
Z.
X minus y minus z.
So this is
X
minus.
sir.
Okay. This is minus. Your question is, can we cancel this y and z?
Plus and minus.
That's
No,
your
sir.
question?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
we
Here
can't.
we have positive, here we have positive, here we have negative. Can we cancel that?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
Actually, here
No,
Sir, we
sir.
this
cannot cancel.
complete thing is multiplied to this.
To this complete thing.
If it is
Multiply,
just
it
5
cannot be
plus
cancelled.
When multiplication is there, we should not cancel it. When addition is there, we can cancel
yes, sir,
it.
We can cancel.
Yes, in this, it
In
cannot
addition
be
or
cancelled.
subtraction.
This is the final result. It cannot be further simplified.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Next question.
This is the question, fifth one.
So 2x square, we can't write, sir.
It is not
Yeah,
visible. Okay.
sir. Excellent,
Sir, this is an identity, sir.
Again, Uday is asking 2xy we cannot 2x we cannot write here. 2y we cannot write, or y we cannot cancel, z we cannot cancel. This is multiplication. When into is there, you cannot cancel them.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
last question for today's session. Yes.
Use
I
your
gain
identity,
a
sir.
minus b whole square.
A square,
A
whole
square minus b
square.
whole square. A square minus b square
Sir,
whole square.
a
Yes, sir.
minus b
square.
whole square, sir.
This is a
A
square whole
square
square.
plus a square.
Last term is b square whole square.
B whole square.
Yes, sir.
Middle term is
Yes, sir.
2 times
Here,
of
minus
a square
2a square.
into b square.
B square, sir.
So this is a square minus b square
Minus b
whole
square.
square.
Whole square.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
If you want, this can be written as a plus b into a minus b whole square.
Yes.
अगर a भी चेंज करना है तो a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square.
Square.
This is the answer.
Sir, in
Yes.
exam you should write fully simplest form, sir. Not like a square minus b square whole square. You should fully simplify it to a plus b, a minus b bracket. I have to fully simplify, sir.
In the examination, we are going to see step by step. If you have stopped at this, you will get marks. If you continue this step, you will get marks. If you continue further, you will get marks. So not to worry about that. We require at least one. Out of these three forms, at least one should be there.
Sir, so no
Sir,
matter how
fourth
big the
one.
question, it will still be of 1 marks
Which one?
in exam.
This coming examination.
Yes, sir.
It's all MCQ.
1 mark.
Suppose if this question is asked, we will give 4 options. In that one option is this. 3 more options are different. To
So
get
if it
this,
is a 4-mark
answer-
question, he gave it as 1 mark, sir.
not exactly. Some 2 marks questions I have given as 1 mark.
Sir, factorization, we can take the options and multiply and get the answer, no, sir.
Correct. That's a shortcut. Very good. Correct.
That's why you have to reduce marks, sir.
Sir, syllabus is not, sir, for
Show fourth one, sir.
See, in the MCQ, we are not behind how you have got the answer. We are interested in only which option you have written.
Sir, then everybody will be getting the answer, no, sir.
What to do,
Why?
sir? This is the format of question paper. What to do? Shobhan can copy the answer from Abhinav. What can I do?
Sir, no, sir, we will be in meet, sir.
Sir, show fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. This is for yes, sir.
Sir, explain this question once again.
Okay, let me try. This x to the power 4 is written as x square whole square. You will agree.
Okay.
And
Yes,
x
sir.
minus z whole to the power 4 is written as x minus z square, that is squared. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now if you observe, this is something like a square term. This is something like b square term. So it is a plus b into a minus b, where a is x square, b is x minus z whole square. So this is a plus b, this is a minus b. In the next
Yes, sir.
step, I have just expanded this. If you expand,